What can I do?
Like full-on bag lady when I come here.
So it kind of dawned on me last night that I've not got any real footage for the vlog this week. So I was going to send an email to Raluca apologising, saying I'm really sorry. Is it possible to skip this week and I'll get something to you again next week? And I've been doing stuff like that more frequently than I'd like recently. So in an attempt not to be shit and thinking, okay, what can I do? So rather than following me through a few days during the week, you get an insight into what a slightly busier than usual working day is like. So today's mission is to not be shit and get this vlog done, get through as much stuff that I need to get done as possible, show you what it's like. I'm drinking my green tea because I've given up coffee. That's probably why I was tired and unfocused and forgot to film anything this last week. And hopefully it will wake me up and get ready for the day. That's better. Right, let's go. Okay, so the first thing I need to go and do today is I've ordered some paint materials, some sign writing materials from, online for a project that I'm going to be doing over Friday and Saturday, which is the big sign for the Mercedes mechanics in Cheltenham. And I need to get a couple of extra colours of paint and some other materials to prep for that. Normally I order it online and get it delivered, and what usually happens is delivery people don't really know how to get into this building, so I end up missing my parcel by days. And I realised that they have one of their art stores about a 20-minute drive from where I live, so I've just got them delivered to there and I'm going to go pick them up today. And it's also always quite exciting to find out when you have a good art materials store nearby, or anywhere that could sell relevant supplies, should anything happen where you suddenly run out.
But I realised last night that my pens had run out. That's a problem.
Or there's an emergency, you know there's somewhere you can go and get something if necessary. Okay, right, phone, wallet, keys. Okay, let's go.
Got my box. That was quite a cute little art store, and it was really nice that they had a nice brush selection, so couldn't really help myself. Such a child. But I picked up a couple of brushes. These are called coach liners, and they're quite good for drawing or painting long, thin, straight edges, and I've wanted to try them out, so I got the smallest and cheapest one to see what it was like, and then I can get different sizes if I like them. I figure out how to use them more in my sort of painting and sign writing. And I got this stubby little thing, which will make it actually quite useful for the project that I've got these paints for, which is for the big sign, because there'll be quite big, large areas where I just need to put in solid colour, so having quite a flat, wide brush like this will save me a lot of time and make it a lot easier, quicker. That was fun, and knowing that's there is always very handy. Now I've got to get back home and head over to Tetbury with a laptop to do some more digital stuff. So I've got like marketing material to do and a bit of photo editing, and just catch up with them, see if they've got any updates needing to their boards and other signage. So got to go. Mission 1 accomplished. full-on bag lady when I come here. Not really, I feel like I'm not, it's like coming up to like 20 to 6 already in the day, and I feel like I've not actually produced any work. It's just been having to kind of get around just doing busy things I have to do. So from the meeting at the pub, got an old poster that I just need to do a bit of an update on, so I think I'll do that quickly just so I feel like I've produced something. It's probably going to be quite a few more hours work from this at the desk, just trying to get stuff out and get this vlog finished as well. So cheers to part 2 of the day where I actually do the work. Right, we've reached 7:30. I've managed to do the quick reworking of this poster. I've sent a couple of emails. I'm feeling myself getting a little bit tired and easily distracted again, so I just need to kind of refocus on the next sort of jobs for the evening, and that is to make a bit more progress with the design cuts project, which is still going on. So we'll see how far I go before I get to the point where I'm too tired and it's just worth kind of going to sleep and then getting back to things in the morning. We've predicted that there's going to be quite a bit of snow here in the UK, so maybe I just have to bunker down at home for a couple of days anyway, so that'll give me a good chance to just catch up with all the digital stuff and working on that. It's all about the hot drinks, staying cosy, warm, and just getting on with it. It will complete today's mission of just getting, I've got to do the vlog as well. I've got to edit the vlog as well. So yeah, it's going to be a long day, but it's not been a shit day, which is the main thing that counts.